TET 2011 and my lord, TET 2015. My lord, as far as 11 is concerned, my lord, there was a certificate. My lord, as far as 15 was concerned, my lord, it was the server. My lord, no certificate had been issued. And it's only in respect of 15, my lord, that we had, my lord, the, my lord, scanned, my lord, OMR sheets.
Mr. Mukherjee, what do you, this scanning has been found to be erroneous by the earlier bench also.
My lord,
This Bhattacharya, subject to be corrected
Yes.
by you. That this you cannot, you ought not to have scanned it
yes,
further.
yes. Now, my lord, may I put it this way? My lord, we started from 12 to stage. My lord, we went by the server marks, my lord, and we came to, my lord, a conclusion. Now, my lord, the matter can end very easily there, my lord, if your lordships, my lord, I'll tell your lordships, my lord, your lordships right, my lord, that this should not have happened. But, my lord, we had, my lord, these, my lord, scanned, my lord, OMR sheets. We checked, my lord, for, my lord, discrepancy.
So ultimately, upon such checking, you have excluded about 1,000 guests.
No. Only 74, my lord. I'll show that, my lord.
Kindly come to your chart.
Yes, my lord. Kindly come to that chart, my lord. My lord, which starts at page 14, my lord.
No, Mr. Mukherjee, before you come to that, your supplementary affidavit file also. There you have incorporated a tabulated statement.
My lord, your lordships looking at, my lord, the supplementary affidavit, my lord, of, my lord, 27th March or, my lord, 20th April, my
I
lord.
shall give you just now. You have given a tabulated chart. Your junior would be able to.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, madam. That is
Kindly come to page 34. 34 of your this compilation. Which was annexing supplementary affidavits of 19th July, 29th August, 20th April, and 27th March.
Yes, my lord.
Madam, they filed madam, three affidavits and it
So,
is.
Mr. Do you have this compilation?
Yes. We made this
We
compilation.
made it, my lord. We don't, my lord.
A copy to Mr.
Yes, sir. Better copy, yes, sir.
Yes. My lord, if this is, my lord, the compilation, my lord, I have it, my lord.
Yes, you
My
come to the affidavit which you have affirmed on
27th and 24th April. 27th March and 24th April.
This was on affirmed on 20th April 20,
Yes, my lord. Kindly take, my lord.
paragraph 3.
Yes. Lordship's absolutely right.
Yes.
Now, my lord, kindly have a look at, my lord, the note which I've given. My lord, at, my lord, page 14 of that, there's an annexure A, my lord. Kindly have a look at that, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, at the bottom, my lord, your lordships will find, my lord, total persons attending the interview, 14,052.
Yes.
Now, my lord, kindly come to, my lord, the three, my lord, entries, my lord, under that.
Now, this just bottom to that, you have said rechecking done by the commission.
Yes,
Now, this rechecking which you have done,
yes, there are three categories, my lord.
mismatch of marks.
No, my lord, there is one, my lord, which is, my lord, also class category mismatch. That is 2 candidates.
Yes.
Now, my lord, kindly come to, my lord, mismatch of marks, 559, and then, my lord, defaced OMR sheets, 902. And this, my lord, gives the total of 1463, which is why your lordship said, my lord, that it's 1,000 candidates. My lord, that's, my lord, para 3, my lord. Your lordship has para 3, my lord, of the supplementary affidavit. Paragraph 3, my lord, were detected with regard to OMRs of one. No,
your
My lord.
paragraph 3 of this chart.
No, of the supplementary affidavit, my lord. My lord, your lordships wanted me to look at, my lord,
Yes, paragraph.
20th April, my lord.
Yes.
20th April, my lord, has, my lord, paragraph.
Sorry, I think I gave you the wrong sheet. It is 20th August, sorry.
29th August, my lord.
29th August.
29th August. 33.
Paragraph 3.
34. My lord. Yes. Correct. Now, my lord, kindly have a look at our chart, my lord, now once.
Yes, now kindly, where you have pointed out total.
Now, my lord, before your lordship, my lord, goes into this, my lord, kindly come straight away, my lord, to that compilation itself, my lord. My lord, kindly take 20th April, my lord. 20th April, which is page 37.
Yes.
Sorry, my lord, 27th March, my lord, which is page, my lord, 55, my lord.
55. Relevant is paragraph 8. 50.
What did you show me just now? My lord, if your lordship takes, my lord, 27th
Yes.
March 1st, my lord, kindly take 27th March.
Yes.
Now, my lord, kindly take here in 27th March, my lord, paragraph, my lord, 9 at page 4, my lord.
No, before you go to 9, Mr. Mukherjee, kindly see paragraph 8. You gave the total numbers who appeared.
Who are called, my lord, yes.
Who were called. However, the total candidates who appeared was 140.
Correct.
Yes.
And that is the figure, my lord, which is in annexure A to my note. Kindly just keep that note, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, 14052.
140.
Yes.
Now,
First phase, second phase, less so and so were removed with leave of the Honorable Court.
So now, if in your chart itself, Mr. Mukherjee, you say out of 14052, 1463 were excluded, which consisted of 902 and 2 mismatch of marks and 559 mismatch of marks and 2 mismatch of category. Now, next column you said revision of list after perusal of records of 902 candidates. So there you gave a chart. Upon reassessing 902,
Yes.
you have called back 821 and allowed
In fact,
everybody.
correct. In fact, 828.
It's correct.
My lord, the bracketed portion, my lord, is the
820
Yes.
you called back.
yes. So, my lord, only 74 went out of the zone of consideration.
Very good. Then what is this explanation? Other details which you have given at the bottom of the chart. That same page.
My lord, of my lord.
Of your chart.
Oh, chart. Yes.
So let us just to reiterate your if it is matches with us.
Yes.
With us,
Now, my lord.
total were called were 14,052.
Yes.
Out of 1463 were excluded.
Correct.
Thereafter, you reassessed
Yes.
902.
Now, my lord, may I just explain it? My lord, 14,052 were who attended.
Mm-hmm.
The persons who were called were 17,024.
Yes.
So 14,052 is those who attended. My lord, after that, my lord, there was, my lord, rechecking done by the commission. Now, my lord, out of this, 2 were class category mismatch.
Where have you said that 2 class category mismatch?
My lord, page 14 at the bottom, last entry, my lord.
Yes. No, this is other details. I shall.
No, I'm coming to other details, my lord. I'm at page 14 first. Your lordship looking at 15. Page numbers at the bottom.
Yes, yes.
My lord, kindly look at 14. I'll go through, my lord, till it become clear, my lord. Now, my lord, so, my lord, 2, my lord, there were class category mismatch. 559, my lord, mismatch of marks. So, my lord, in the OMR sheet, my lord, it was just tallied up. There was no, my lord, white spots or anything, my lord. There was no defaced OMR sheet. This was on the face of it, the screenshot, my lord, or scanned, my lord, copy of OMR sheet. 559, there was, my lord, a mismatch, my lord, of the marks in the server and what it tallied, my lord, in OMR sheets. This is what we found from the scanned copy. My lord, original is not there. Your lordship asked me, my lord, it's just not there. My lord, which is unfortunate. And then, my lord, 902 were defaced OMR sheets. So, my lord, total, your lordship's right, 1463, my lord, go out. Then, my lord, 12589, my lord, is, my lord, the, my lord, the merit list. My lord, so, my lord, this is where it stands, my lord, and this is, kindly
How
note,
did you arrive at this 12,580?
3,000 minus
my lord, 14,052 minus 1463. My lord, I've given the calculation in the left-hand column. F minus G,
That is 14,052 minus.
1463. So, my lord, this is, my lord, where it stands. My lord, and my lord, I have indicated this, my lord, where this is also given in my affidavit, right-hand column, as per page 5 of affidavit dated 27th March.
That is page 34.
Yes, my lord,
No, that is also in this affidavit. No, that is at page 40. That will not tally with you.
No, 685.
This 12589 you have incorporated in your affidavit.
12589, my lord, is, my lord, at page 5, my lord.
Page 59.
at page 59, my lord, of your lordship's compilation. Because we are dealing with 27 March affidavit, which starts at page 55 in your lordship's compilation.
Yes, yes, page 59.
59 at bottom here, 12589.
12589, your lordship gets the figure.
Huh.
My lord, this is the position. Now, my lord, there is, my lord, a revision of list after perusal of records of 902 candidates referred to in figure H above. This is the defaced, my lord, OMR sheets. Now, my lord, kindly go by the bracketed figures here, my lord, because in the affidavits there were 2 or 3, my lord, names, my lord, which were incorrectly indicated, so I've indicated this. Now, my lord, out of 902, candidates who still had mismatch on comparing marks of recheck with marks in the server were, my lord, 74. Now, my lord, what happens? My lord, out of this 74, my lord, your lordships kindly make a note here. My lord, this is not there anywhere. My lord, my lord, went through it and checked. 42, my lord, were not TET qualified. Out of this, my lord, 74, 42 not TET qualified. My lord, 32, my lord, were TET qualified, but not in the zone of consideration. That is, my lord, 1:1.4.
42 was not TET qualified.
Qualified.
So they went out.
They went out completely. And
Oh.
the others, my lord, would not qualify in the ratio of 1:1.4. My lord, that's, my lord, the vacancies and, my lord, persons who have to be called, my lord, for the interview. So, my lord, the candidates who came within, now, my lord, this is important, the zone of consideration is, my lord, 828. The bracketed portion, kindly go, my lord, instead of 821, it's 828.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, this I have stated in page 3 of the affidavit dated 20th April. My lord, 20th April, your lordship will find is at 37. Page 37 of your lordship's compilation. My lord, para 5, it's mentioned as 821, last 3 lines.
Hmm.
But that should actually be 828.
Yes.
Now, my lord, why do I say, my lord, that we should go by the portion in brackets? Kindly see the footnote at page 15 of my note, my lord. Figures mentioned in square brackets are pursuant to the affidavit dated 29th August, para 4. So, my lord, it's on. My lord, this is, my lord, how, my lord, it's on record. Now, my lord, I've also checked, my lord, out of this 828, my lord, 800 tallied completely with the e-server.
That you have not stated in your
No,
report.
my lord, because I was going to produce, my lord, the OMR sheets if your lordships wanted. So, my lord, I have noted it in my pencil, but, my lord, they were in the zone of consideration. I don't need to go, my lord, higher than that.
So our question is, Mr. Mukherjee, the dispute which centers around now is the quantum of exclusion
Correct.
done on the basis of
So,
reassessment.
my lord, it's only 559 plus, my lord, 74.
559 plus
74 plus 2, my lord. So, it's 561
Then-
plus 70.
this calculation which you are giving. Please explain this from your other details. This is confusing. Other details at the
My
bottom.
lord, other details kindly ignore, because what happened, my lord, is I have to explain, my lord, persons who got called in the first phase for interview.
So your contention is total persons who appeared in personality test were 14,052,
Yes.
out of which initial exclusion was 1463,
Yes.
which takes us to 12,580.
89.
Now thereafter you 902 of defaced mark sheets were reassessed.
Correct.
And it came that apart from 74, the remaining came within the.
Came within, my lord, of that 902.
So from 902, exclusion was 74.
Correct.
And why do you ask us to add with this 74 has to be added with 2?
Because class category mismatch.
Class category mismatch, my lord, 2.
So it comes to 76.
Correct. Plus 559.
76,
Plus
oh, 559.
630.
So it comes to 915, 8 mas 13, 635.
635. Correct.
So if your Mr. Sharnal's argument was, which you were, that his argument was that migration at
That
once,
I've dealt with, my lord.
that you have dealt. Second was extension of the purview of the vacancies that you have made.
Yes.
So this 12589 is the merit listed candidates who, as the record stands today, subject to Mr. Sharnal's two arguments,
Yeah.
can be given recommendation.
Correct. My lord, it's actually coming to, kindly go down that list, my lord. Your lordships come to, my lord, 828. Now, my lord, kindly go down that list. My lord, there were another 84 who were excluded, my lord, which we have mentioned in our...
No, that was approved by the division bench. This exclusion was approved by the division bench.
Correct. Yes. So, my lord, the total comes to 13,333.
I plus J minus K.
Yes.
So I is 12,000.
589 plus J, my lord, which is 828. And, my lord, this exclusion of 84.
It comes to 13,333.
33.
33.
And the
So
total...
there is, subject to the two argument made on behalf
Yes,
of
yes.
there is no problem with this.
Yes. Now, my lord, your lordships, my lord, did, my lord, wanted an exercise to be done. My lord, as to, my lord, the, my lord, appeals which have been preferred, my lord, how, my lord, what the position is. I had handed up, my lord, a compilation on the last occasion.
The main list we have.
My lord,
828 बात करो और जेलू मिसमैच वो रिमेनिंग 84 এই 84 টা কিসের থেকে এক্সপ্লোর কিন্তু মিস Mr. Mukherjee, what is this AN? Out of 902, 74 had mismatch, two class category. Then what is the 71 KK?
the K, my lord, this is, my lord, miscalculation of scores, overage and other credentials. My lord,
These are other things not related to
my lord, these have got nothing to do, my lord, with the OMR mark sheet, my lord, reassessment. The scanned copies.
we get the accepted.
My lord, not having, my lord, a B8 qualification. My lord, not having, my lord, these were, my lord, the age requirements, not meeting age requirements.
So this was excluded.
Yes. I've said so in my affidavit, my lord. Kindly take my affidavit.
As Jeta হচ্ছে
My lord, J is 902 minus 74.
So total
2 minus 74 gives 828, which is J.
so 828 came within the zone.
Yes, my lord, correct.
Exclusion was
My lord, so out of 902, my lord, 74 were excluded. My lord, 828 came back.
Yes.
So, my lord,
Now out of 828 again you subtract.
no, this is not, these are not covered by 902. These are over and above, my lord, 902, 559 and 2. My lord, page 14, kindly see. My lord, 2 is 1, class category mismatch. 559 is mismatch of marks. And 902 was defaced OMR sheets. My lord, the K, my lord, which is 84, my lord, and other category altogether. The certificates didn't tally.
Nothing to do with scanning.
No, nothing.
এই যে 1300 এই যে মেরিট লিস্টের ক্যালকুলেশন যারা এক্সক্লুড ঠিক আছে। Sure. So what we understand now, the problem is whether this exclusion of 74
Yes.
was proper or not.
Correct. That's, my lord, what it's, my lord, coming. Now, my lord, your lordships wanted, my lord, exercise to be conducted to find out, my lord, how many of these 74 have come before the court.
Yes. 74 has come.
How many have, my lord, come before the court?
Now, Mr. Mukherjee, out of the 74, nobody submitted representation to you in grievance redressal.
No. Because this happened later. Whatever grievances happened earlier, my lord, was pursuant to, my lord, orders of court, which required a personality test, my lord, to be conducted, which was conducted. Here, my lord, nobody has come back, my lord, to, my lord, the, my lord, commission for, my lord, ventilating a grievance. They've, my lord, now, my lord, what is important is, your lordships wanted to know, my lord, how many have, my lord, preferred, my lord, an appeal and, my lord, added subsequent events, my lord, before your lordship, apropos this, my lord, selection process. Because this selection process was going on while the matter, my lord, was before, my lord, the division bench. Now, my lord, what is important is, my lord, I had handed up a chart, my lord, on the last occasion. My lord, it's, my lord, the MAT list, my lord, it looks, my lord, it looked like this, my lord. I had given, my lord, a broadsheet on top. Then আমি বাদ করে দেবো।
নিয়েছিলাম, আমার কাছে ছিল না।
এরকম কি? না, এটা না, এরকম।
না 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 না, ওর ভেতর নেই।
আলাদা পাচ্ছে। My lord, it was handed up during the,
হ্যাঁ
right, দেখা না?
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ, yes.
প্রসেস
তোমারটা নিচে আছে,
Then who are the added applicants who are wanting to join? They are similarly situated with Rajiv Brahmo. They will come within the zone in the event vacancies are extended.
Correct, not otherwise. Not, my lord, I'll show your lordship, I prepared that also. Because your lordship directed them to give us details, my lord,
Yes.
of, my lord, because several cans, my lord, have, my lord, not even been served. My lord,
36 appeals and more than 100.
yes, so, my lord, I have done that exercise. My lord, I've done that exercise also, which will, my lord, help your lordships. My lord, I must tell your lordships, my lord, my endeavor is to see, my lord, that whoever's deserving, my lord, goes through the entire process. My lord, should not, my lord, be, my lord, struck down. That is, my lord, my endeavor, my lord, before your lordships. My lord, I cannot support, my lord, every stand taken. My lord, I also, my lord, will not support the stand. And this is very important, my lord, for our state. My lord, that OMR sheets, my lord, should be, my lord, available. My lord, with, my lord, the, my lord, authorities. Has to be, my lord, for there to be confidence, my lord, in the system. Now, my lord, kindly take, my lord, the math.
Then, Mr. Mukherjee, what is the total exclusion? Here it is 84.
Correct. So total, so, my lord,
Total exclusion.
yes,
Caste category 2, 559 mismatch
yes,
and 74.
and, my lord, plus 84. So total is, my lord, 1333. I've given, my lord, page 15, my lord, of my note, 1333. My lord, kindly see
Page 15.
page 15. My lord, total size of merit list,
That is 13,339.
33, my lord, the bracketed portion.
33. Yes.
33 against 14,339 vacancies. I've given, my lord, I plus J minus K.
I was confused with the other details.
No, my other details, my lord, my lord, for
Exclusion was how much? 559 plus 2 plus
plus 74 plus 84.
Exclusion. Calculate plus 559.
I think I'm right in the figures. Just add X. Plus 84.
This comes to how much?
It a total correct.
কোনটা বাদ দিলে?
এই 1452 থেকে 13,333
সেটা তো রিমেনিং ভ্যাকেন্সি। দুশো চোদ্দ
My lord, 719, I think.
হলো 719
So this 719 exclusion is bad, subject to that.
Correct.
So this 719, if it is bad, out of which 84 was not pertaining to scanning.
Correct.
So if 719 minus 84 comes to how much? This is 5. 635.
Correct.
So the suppose we accept Mr. Bhattacharya's argument that this scanning was bad, then who will be affected? Who will be out of 635?
Correct.
Why you are saying that no?
My lord, the total scanning has been reevaluation has been initiated on the part of only 14,052 candidates.
Yes.
But there are lakhs of candidates. Maybe there may be mismatch.
Lakhs of candidates. Where?
The TET candidate are 2,28,000.
Very good.
Only 14,052 candidates marks have been tallied with their server.
Yes.
There may be some other person whose marks also may be varied.
But they do not come within the merit list.
My lord, may I with request? If their marks, my lord, their marks can be enhanced. My lord, with request of respect, may I submit to them?
We are already having problems in the figures, Mr.
Yes, but because but it is about the reassessment.
Let's understand this. Suppose the scanning which was conducted by the commission,
Yes,
accepting your contention, it is bad.
yes,
In that case, the exclusion limit, how many persons will be affected? 635.
Yes.
Now, your argument is that see this in the broader concept. If this assessment was done in respect of all TET candidates, then maybe lakhs of candidates would have come within the zone of consideration.
that is not our argument, my lord. With request of respect, my lord. That's why, my lord, I filed a supplementary affidavit. One Shubhankar Naik. I just give a particular example. Shubhankar Naik have two TET qualification certificate. One is 2011 as well as 2015. And then Shubhankar, why he in the 2016 selection process, he gave his 2015 marks because in 2015 he get higher marks. Now, my lord, although Shubhankar Naik came in the zone of consideration, he just ousted out because of this reassessment, my lord. If this reassessment is good in law, my lord, first we have to ascertain whether.
No, but his exclusion was not at the stage from 12,000, 14,000.
Yes. That's my contention, my lord.
Total persons who attended the interview.
Yes, I attended the interview, my lord. After attending the, because I gave a specific example. That's why, my lord, the coordinate bench, my lord, directed me to file a supplementary affidavit, and I filed that supplementary affidavit. Why I filed the supplementary? Shubhankar Naik, my lord. Yes, my lord. Shubhankar Naik.
Filed in connection with which?
My CAN 74, mat number 638. I ensure this matter, my lord.
Can 74.
In pursuance of, my lord.
Mr. Bhattacharya appear.
Yes. My senior. Yes, as a my senior, yes. Yes, my lord. Yes, this one, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, in pursuance of 10 January 2024 order, my lord, which is annexed to my supplementary affidavit. And I will hand it over as very astonishing affidavit, my lord, filed by the.
Mr. Shamik, why should we go into that?
Yes, well, we have to go it. Why I say so?
Correct us.
Please, sorry.
The selection has started as a sequel to the order of Justice Bhattacharya.
Yes.
What did Justice Bhattacharya say? That whatever database you have and received,
Yes.
you start from that stage.
Yes.
12-2.
Yes.
So 12-2 stage they have started.
Yes.
Now in course of hearing, it came to our knowledge that they have again reassessed,
Yes.
which was found to be bad by Justice Bhattacharya.
Yes.
And that judgment was affirmed in
Yes.
appeal.
Yes.
So this reassessment, if it is held to be bad,
Yes.
then how many persons is affected? 635.
Yes. I am that
The
person.
argument which you are making, Mr. Shami, subject to correction.
Yes.
Subject to correction
Yes, pardon.
is that if this process had been initiated
I am the affected person.
appropriately at the initial stage, we have to think from the stage where it was left by Justice Bhattacharya.
Yes.
You explained to us that if Justice Bhattacharya's stages are followed,
Yes.
still you are entitled
Yes,
to make
yes,
this,
that's my submission altogether.
or you will make that submission.
Yes, yes,
Let
and that's why, just give a.
Let Mr. Mukherjee finish
Yes, yes,
the
yes.
debate.
I
Cut short the
yes,
debate.
yes, yes, yes. We will cut short.
This is your argument. This is
Yes,
your
yes, and that's our exactly our argument. You have the reassessment itself bad.
We will hear.
Yes.
Otherwise, so far as subject to your argument, what we have ascertained till date is that 13,339 candidates who are already there.
33.
There is no problem with them. 7 except the argument of migration and extension of vacancy.
Now we have problem in that there also.
Achha, problems have
I
to
will,
be solved, huh?
yes. We will argue because I
No,
talk.
are we right? Are we putting you the right question?
No, yes, I'm putting the right question, but that 33,333 candidates, they are in the merit listed candidates, but that merit list is also bad. That's our contention altogether.
If that merit list is
Yes.
bad, show us what Justice Bhattacharya has said.
But
Yeah,
there is a
earlier
proof.
merit list conduction was set aside by the.
Yes, yes.
Now
And-
we have to start from 12-2.
Yes, but they what they did, my lord, after starting this journey, my lord, all of the sudden, my lord, they reassess by themselves without any court order. So, my lord, first of that, my lord, that reassessment either this court ought to help that reassessment is bad in law. That is not permissible in pursuance of Honorable Justice Bhattacharya's order, which is upheld by the division bench, my lord. Or if that is
No, if reassessment is bad,
yes.
how you are affected?
Yes, that's why I filed the Subhankar Naik's supplementary affidavit. Because of that, my lord, Subhankar Naik got higher marks in the 2015 and he would be included person. That's why I am aggrieved, my lord. I am aggrieved.
What was there in the earlier selection?
Earlier selection
The merit list.
in the merit list and all of the sudden due to this
So that has
reassessment
gone. It has gone.
But then, my lord, due to this reassessment journey, my lord, started by the School Service Commission, all of the sudden the Subhankar Naik dropped, my lord.
How?
Because he says
He is coming within that.
yes.
Correct.
So
That-
very good. We
yes, my lord.
we have no con as
Yes.
regards that. We wanted to understand. You are aggrieved, Shubhankar, why he had been excluded.
Yes.
We will ascertain that.
Yes, and my lord, their submission is that
Sir, what-
no one came. But my submission is yes, I came.
Abhi, you tell us from this 600 and calculation which Mr. Mukherjee just now gave, that 600 and
35, my lord.
635
I have 59 mismatch, 2 and category caste category mismatch, and plus 7.
how many persons are represented by advocates who are coming within that 635?
I am one of the advocate, my lord, who coming in that 635.
You do us a favor.
My lord, I've done it. My lord, what is going to fall? Yes, my lord, I'm indicating that. My lord, now, my lord, kindly take this, my lord.
We will hear you, Mr.
I am led by Mr. Bhattacharya, my lord. Mr. Bhattacharya will address, my lord. I just, for factual clearance, my lord, I just.
My lord, kindly take this list which we've given. This was, my lord, in respect of the appeals. Now, my lord, kindly see total number of, my lord, petitioners or the appellants, my lord, is 569. Now, my lord, for identification, we required roll number. Only 474, my lord, gave roll numbers.
These 569 petitioners or their petitioners in?
My lord, the appellants. My lord, it should be the max. My lord, the appellants. My lord, there are total of 569 appellants.
Yes.
My lord, several appeals have more than one person, my lord. So, my lord, it's 569 appellants. Now, my lord, your lordships wanted them to, my lord, give, my lord, full information so that we could prepare this chart, which required the roll number. Now, my lord, out of 569, only 474, my lord, gave the roll number. So, my lord, our, my lord, analysis is of 474. Now, my lord, kindly come to, so 3, my lord, is 95, my lord. We couldn't, my lord, give, my lord, an assessment. Item 3, because they didn't give the roll number. So, out of the 474, my lord, impaneled candidates are 23, waitlisted are 13. So, my lord, 36, my lord, are in the zone of consideration. My lord, they've, my lord, also participated in the counseling.
36.
23 plus 13, my lord.
Oh, achha. No, what is this? Total number of petitioners without roll number is 95. What is this?
My lord, we can't find out who they are. If roll number is not given, my lord, I cannot give your lordships, my lord, the facts.
So 474 gave the roll numbers.
Yes.
Now, what is then column 3?
569 minus 470.
My lord, 569 minus 474 is 95.
This 95 gave you the roll number.
No, they did not, without roll number. So, therefore, bracket cannot be verified.
That is 95.
95.
Oh, so 569 appellants, 474 gave you the roll.
Correct.
Now out of 471, 95 could not be traced.
No, out of 569, 94, 95 could not be traced.
Acha, acha.
My lord, 95 is 569 minus 474. Lordship has that, my lord? My lord, kindly excludes 3, my lord. Kindly exclude 3 if it's creating, my lord, any confusion. My lord, because, my lord, 474 is what we can give our data to. Now, my lord, kindly take item 4, 5s, my lord, there are 2 5s, 6, 7, 8 and 9. My lord, that adds up to 474. So I'm giving your lordship the breakup of 474. 4 onwards, my lord, 4 onwards to the end.
So this from 4 to
9. My lord, it should be 10, but there are 2 5s, my lord, in the chart.
this totals up to
474.
Now you're given the details of 470.
Yes. Now, my lord, kindly take the top sheet. My lord, 23 are in the panel, 13 are waitlisted. I had given, my lord.
এই আরেকটা এভিডেন্ট কোথায় আবিষ্কার এটা যেটা তুমি আমায় দিলে
Copy দিয়েছিলাম।
কপি আছে দিয়েছো
Number of untrained candidates, my lord, is 106. My lord, as per the court orders, they cannot be, my lord, in the picture. My lord, I have, my lord, referred to it in my note. My lord, untrained says, look, you have vacancies, you please accommodate untrained. My lord, the High Court has said, my lord, that untrained cannot be considered.
which order was
My lord, 4th July and 19th July. My lord, I've referred to it, my lord.
yes. Or just give us the date
My lord, 4th July and 19th July.
of 24 23.
2019, my lord.
Oh, that is before just
Correct.
4th July and 19th.
19th July.
In these orders, this exclusion of untrained was approved.
Yes.
So herein also some persons have said that you add me because you have excluded me.
Yes. My lord, these are, my lord, the appellants.
Yes, no?
Now, my lord, number of candidates who are rejected in other ground, 6. Now, my lord, what is this ground, my lord? 5, my lord, come out of, kindly make a note of this. 5, my lord, are, my lord, out of the 559. Out of the 6, my lord, 5 are, my lord, in, my lord, 559 of, my lord, page 15 of my note.
569.
559, my lord. Page 15 of my note, my lord, is 559. Who mismatch? 559. Yes. My lord, 5, my lord, are, my lord, part of 559.
Yes.
And, my lord, 1, my lord, comes in the category of 74. So, my lord, totally, my lord, 1, my lord, out of, my lord, the 74 category. Who are excluded, my lord, by reason of, my lord, the defacement, my lord, of the OMR sheets. Now, my lord, number of eligible candidates, but below the cutoff, my lord, is 321. Then, my lord,
which are not out of 559.
Yes.
my lord, this is, my lord, as far as, now, my lord, yes. Now, my lord, that, natural. Now, my lord, kindly come to, my lord, what I've done with the cans. I've done a similar exercise, my lord, with the cans. দেখো ভাই ওখান থেকে নিয়ে নাও আমি আচ্ছা কপিজ আছে তো সুতরাং
কপি টাকা দাও
আচ্ছা কপি আছে তো সফট কপি দাও আদার সাইড কে My lord, I have 2 copies, my lord, of this.
Mr. Mukherjee, can we trouble you for
Yes.
will you this chart will you once again explain to us? Out of 569 appellants, 474 approached and gave the roll number. Then 23 was found to be empaneled.
Yes.
13 was waitlisted. This empanelment was merit list. This 13
Correct.
The 13 waitlisted, 106 untrained goes out. I rejected number 6 rejected, not qualified in TET, but out of that 5 was in 559.
Correct.
Mismatch of marks, and one was within that 74.
Correct.
No.
Yes, my lord, 74, that's, my lord, the next, my lord, 902 got reduced to 74.
Right.
So, my lord, out of that, my lord, 1
Now, number of eligible candidates but below cutoff
is 321.
and number of candidates who did not purchase very well. This one? Yes. Now, this chart of applicants.
Yes, now, my lord, kindly have a look. My lord, this is on the basis of whatever charts were given to us. My lord, the total number of, my lord, when I've used, my lord, petitioners, it's, my lord, kindly mark it as can on top, my lord, then your lordships will, my lord. My lord, total is 1,155. Then, my lord, total number of petitioners with roll number, 726. So, my lord, they gave us full details for us to do an analysis. 426 did not give, my lord, roll numbers. So, my lord, this remains unasserted. Now, my lord, out of this, number of impaneled candidates is 50.
So, they are coming within the zone.
Yes. My lord, even, I'm going to show your lordships, my lord, several who have made applications have now come within the zone of consideration, either in the panel or waitlisted. Now, my lord, kindly see, and I've, my lord, in this given the full details. My lord, the flags I've given.
But yes, it's given it.
My lord, impaneled candidates, my lord, there are 50, my lord, can applicants.
Then waitlisted is 73.
Correct, and waitlisted is 73.
Untrained 28.
My lord, untrained, my lord, is, my lord, 28. Who are, my lord, excluded.
Right. Number who are rejected in other.
My lord, that is that, my lord, 84.
Mismatch of-
No, 84. That
84.
84. The fourth category. Now, my lord, kindly come to 8. Number of candidates whose state weight had decreased after re-evaluation but had been called for interview. My lord, kindly correct this, or is it correct?
No, it's correct.
No, sorry, my lord. 44 your lordship has.
Huh.
Now, my lord, out of this 44, my lord, defaced OMR is, my lord, 6. So, my lord, 6 is part of 74. This 6 is out of 74. And 38, my lord, non-defaced OMR, simply mismatch of marks, is, my lord, 38 come in the group of 559.
Yes.
Reached the total list of 28 candidates.
My lord, if your lordships turn the page, my lord, the rest are others, my lord.
Now, number of candidates whose academic marks decreased.
Yes, my lord, because, my lord, they, my lord, didn't have the qualification. My lord, MA claims more, my lord, than BA.
Decreased, but had been
Called for interview. Because this is an assessment, my lord, done, my lord, after.
This has no relation with the
No.
the number of eligible candidates but below
Cut off 444.
did not participate in online uploading. That is
Yes.
for consideration.
Correct.
13. Name and roll number matches.
This is, my lord.
Then what is your argument now?
Yes, now, my lord, we have, my lord, a category of 74. We have a category of 559. Now, my lord, the persons who have fall in the category of 559, we are getting a total of, my lord, 43 persons who are before the court.
Sorry, out of the
The
total.
category of 559 who have been excluded owing to mark mismatch, my lord, we have 46 who are before the court out of 559. And out of, my lord, 70, no, sorry, my
And out of 74,
74, my lord, we have 7 who've come, my lord, before the court.
53 out of the 60.
So, my lord, it's a total of 53 out of a total of 633. Your lordship said 635, my lord. My lord, I had calculated it as 633.
that will be 633 according to.
Yes, my lord.
And 74 with 559, turning 633.
So out of that 633 exclusion, 53 are before us.
Correct. My lord, which is not even. My lord, ideal is, my lord, nobody should come to court. But, my lord, here, my lord, it is less than 10%. That's what I'm pointing out. My lord, whether, my lord, there should be, my lord, any interference or not, I leave it to your lordships. Because if your lordships ultimately hold, my lord, that this reassessment could not have been done, the e-server mark should have been followed, my lord, the assessment merit list will be prepared accordingly. My lord, my lord, just indicating to your lordships what happened, my lord, in this case.
So, if Mr. Mukherjee, this you have found this after this reassessment.
Correct.
This one. Now, if this reassessment goes, then those persons will be
Correct, my lord, I'll have to prepare the merit, re-prepare the merit list. But those who are outside, my lord, still will remain outside. They don't come in.
and then this can be easily accommodated with the remaining
The
vacancies.
number of vacancies. Your lordships wanted to know it. So I had given that, my lord, 13,333 and, my lord, against 14,339 vacancies.
So, out of this chart which you have given, total number of CAN applicants, that is 1155. Did they approach you by making representations by what?
No, they're all here, my lord.
Then who were those persons who filed representations were directed to be considered?
My lord, there were several, my lord, who, my lord, came, my lord, under, my lord, the personality test, my lord, saying they have a grievance, they should be accommodated, and they were accommodated.
Oh.
And, my lord,
Single bench had asked them to go to the.
My lord, may I- yeah, because actually clearance is required.
So we will listen.
No, because of that, was fallen from the court. Because of that, my lord, in pursuance of court order, there is a grievance redressal mechanism, my lord, that is in pursuance of court order. Honorable Justice did an Abhijit Gangopadhyay, my lord, they give that mechanism. Thereafter, my lord, division bench also give that mechanism, my lord. In pursuance of that mechanism, the person, my lord, make the representation, my lord. But the reassessment, my lord, it is wholly, my lord, the School Service Commission own endeavor. And why they made it, my lord, it will be clear because of the personality. Yes, my lord.
I was asking whether the persons who approached the commission on the basis of
That court's order.
Court's order.
Oh, yes, my lord. Because of grievance redressal mechanism, it is
Now out, let us understand now out total exclusion as per the charts, including the appellants and the applicants.
635.
630.
If I understand.
Now we will ask Mr. Mukherjee that how this 635, what can be done to see that they are not ultimately prejudiced?
Yes, my lord. There is three categories, if I understood properly. One is that marks mismatch, and another is that.
Mr. Mukherjee, finish, I will come.
Yes, my lord, I will try to assist, my lord. Faction.
now, my lord, we have 559 and, my lord, 74. Now, my lord, on the face of it, my lord, the figures as they stand today, my lord, are, my lord, 53 out of 633 who have come, my lord, with a grievance.
633 is the, oh that, yes.
My lord,
Yes.
559 plus 74, my lord, comes to 633. 53.
53 has come up before us.
Yes. My lord, this, my lord, these, my lord, 53 have not come before, my lord, School Service Commission, saying we have this grievance. You please consider it. After, my lord, this, my lord, a reassessment was made after scrutiny of, my lord, the OMR sheets.
My lord, may I correct one thing?
Yes.
Let him finish.
My lord, the reassessment procedure has been done after the.
Correct. That's why I'm saying nobody is come, my lord. Of course, my lord, that's the grievance they have. You couldn't have done the reassessment. That's the grievance. Now, my lord, I'm before your lordships. Your lordships, my lord, are of the view, my lord, that we consider, my lord, these 53. My lord, I have no problem. My lord, second, my lord, if your lordships also say, my lord, that considering, my lord, the earlier decision, my lord, of the learned single judge, which was affirmed in the division bench, my lord, that this reassessment should not have been done, I'm comfortable with that also. And, my lord, and third, my lord, I'm also comfortable with, my lord, this issue, my lord, not being, my lord, be allowed to be raised at all because of the de minimis principle. It's less than, my lord, 10%. And in any event, fourth, my lord, it cannot be a ground for setting aside the entire, my lord, recruitment process.
Then, Mr. Mukherjee, what is your reply to the point he was
My
arguing?
lord, I was going to concede that. I'll tell your lordships why. My lord, the particular gentleman here had, my lord, a TET certificate of 2011 and, my lord, E marks of 2015. 2015, my lord, marks were found, my lord, to be, my lord, wrongly have been given. So, my lord, he was rejected on the ground, my lord, that he was not TET qualified. But he had 2011. He could have, my lord, he should have been heard, my lord, before that step. So, I'm conceding that. I'll concede that.
Now, how you will deal with this person? You will take into account the 2011?
11?
He will not come within the zone.
No, my lord, he'll still come within the zone. But, my lord, There's a palpable mistake here because my first stand is, my lord, this should not be interfered with. Assessment was done to, my lord, reassessment to maintain the sanctity, my lord, of recruitment. But, my lord, if it's falling foul of court orders, then I have to accept it's 2015. I still have to accept, my lord, I am, my lord, free of all shackles. My lord, I am, my lord,
Yes, sir.
my lord, the ultimate, as I said, my lord, before your lordships, my ultimate aim, my lord, is to ensure, my lord, fairness, my lord, in the process, and, my lord, see, my lord, that persons, my lord, who have done nothing wrong, my lord, should not be penalized, my lord. That's how I look at it, my lord. And here there are materials, my lord, to, my lord, show, my lord, that the entire recruitment process should not suffer. Of course, subject to, my lord, the arguments which Mr. Sannal has made with regard
Yes,
to
yes.
vacancy publication and, my lord, migration.
Fine. Now, one question we had, sir. Yes.
Now, my lord, now, my lord, kindly, my lord, come back to our note once, my lord. My lord, kindly come to page 10
Of
of our note, my lord, the note which we had, law note, my lord, as it.
page 10.
Yes, my lord. শান্তিনিকেতন ঘুরে আসি, গরম পড়েছে ভীষণ, তাই এই দুদিন আগে গ্রামে ছিলাম সব সময়। তুমি ভাই সেটা আমিও করি, কিন্তু এবার অসম্ভব হয়েছে, পদ্মাসে তোমার চুলটা কাটে। Now, my lord, kindly see, my lord, page 10. My lord, I'll quickly go through this, my lord. My lord, non-consideration of untrained candidates.
Yes.
My lord, there are two orders, my lord, which are at Annexure D, page 33, my lord. My lord, kindly see page 35, my lord. You know, when it's wrong, get it. Message করো, ভাই আট পরে পরে ছোট পর ডাকবে ডেকার পরে। Okay.
Ready.